Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm back again with a new recipe. So today's recipe is gonna be about paneer kolhapuri. So let's not waste much of the time and look at the ingredients. So to make paneer kolhapuri, we'll need few of the ingredients. You can actually always add and subtract the amount of ingredients you want. So to make paneer kolhapuri, I actually used marinated paneer, two small to medium tomatoes, one chopped onion, three bell peppers. I actually have used the different colors of bell peppers, which includes orange, yellow, red, and green. Smashed ginger and garlic and green chilies. So my first step is to marinate the paneer. To marinate the paneer, you'll require 1 tablespoon of oil, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of salt, and a pinch of red chili powder. After marinating it, you have to actually let it rest for 30 minutes. Step 2 would be sauteing the vegetables. To saute the vegetable, you will have to heat up a pan. You will then add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once you feel that oil is heated up, you can add 2 dried red chili. You can add 1 green chili, 1 to 2 inches of ginger, and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, along with tomatoes and chopped onions. Saute the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can check if the vegetables are well done. If you feel that vegetables are well done, you can remove all the sauteed vegetables to the mixer bowl. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can make it into a thin paste for the gravy. The next step would be sauteing the bell peppers that we roughly chopped. To saute the bell peppers, you use the same pan, add same amount of oil, which would be 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat up. You can then add cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start crackling up, you can actually add red dried chili and the bell peppers along with the salt to taste. Cook the variety of bell peppers for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, and after the bell peppers are cooked, we add the gravy that we previously made by mixing all the sauteed vegetables using the mixer. Remember one thing, we don't want to overcook the bell peppers. After mixing the gravy along with the sauteed vegetables, it's time for us to add the marinated paneer that I let it rest for approximately 30 minutes. Along with adding the paneer, you also will have to add approximately 1 cup of water and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can turn off the flame and close the lid. Let it rest for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, you can again open it and taste it, and it would be ready to serve. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Feel free to try this recipe at home. Let me know how it turns out. For any questions or any suggestions or comments, feel free to comment in the comment box below. Make sure to share this recipe to your friends and family, and also on the Facebook pages that you have. For more information, you can always reach me out by commenting in the commenting box below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Till then, happy cooking!